How to blur something in CapCut. First of all, launch the CapCut app on your mobile device or computer. Type new project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once imported, the video will appear on the timeline. Now here, tap on the video layer in the timeline and select copy to create a duplicate. Place the copied layer directly above the original layer in the timeline. Select the upper layer. Go to Effect menu. Type clip found in the toolbar. Navigate to the Basic Effects section and choose Blur or a similar option, Mosaic for Pixelate Blur. Adjust the intensity of the blur using the slider if needed. You can see now, just drag and drop that effect in your clip, which is from the fit from the original clip. After that, you can find the specific option. So step on Add Mask. After that, you can listen to this. Choose the mask option, circle or frame screen. After that, you can just increase the freezer a little bit and he can drag and drop the position where like just blur the part on your video. So like this, you can also use keyframe for that. After that, you can approve the video. You can see guys, it's working. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.